Alright guys, so you can see we got our upgrades in. I did take this for a nasty bash yesterday. I had to repair it a little this morning before I can get it out. Family was over for Mama's birthday party. And I did some crazy flips. So I got her all back together. Now there's one huge problem I gotta take care of. That's this piece right here. Gotta bend those out because it comes out all the time. So that's just kind of par for the course. Oh. But man, she's a basher. I mean, I hit way harder than that several times, so. This thing is awesome. And these new arms, I'm hesitant on these big arms, metal arms, because in general I think plastic has more give. But the amount of the violence that this car takes, you almost have to have them. You know, I think the plastic just is too flexible. Again, I'm gonna learn how to drive it better before I get crazy. And these batteries I've used 4 sessions now and it's still running. These are the Cnhl 9000 mAh 120c. Oh, see, then that wire pops out again. So I know I should have a body on it, but it is what it is. And there it is right there. So I got to take care of that before I go nutty. I had a triple that was yesterday, was pretty nuts. But I'll get better with this. Might even take it to the skate park. These arms are solid, man. Working the bugs out, working the bugs out. Insane in the membrane. Insane, got no brain. Brakes work good. Once I get better, we'll do the back flips and front flips. I'll get all this dialed in, see where the weak spots are. There it is, that wire again. I'll get it right. That's why I'm not even bothering putting the lid on it. I'm gonna make sure I don't land on my head. As long as that wire stays in, so I have some wheel spin. I gotta give it a little gas. Now, I still haven't given this a full pull. Not with these batteries. We're gonna do some speed runs pretty soon here. I got like 3 cars that need it. And we're looking into getting some new cars for the channel. Not sure what yet. Probably some smaller guys. More for insane. I might have to re-glue that one tire too. Ooh, that was bad. Forgot to hit reverse. Oh, I'm a little tired today. It's a long day yesterday. Party went well. So hopefully everybody's having a great weekend. Hopefully I'm getting this. I'd like to thank JYD for this camera. I'd like to thank Mike over at RCRX for giving me such a great deal on this car. Knocked the wire out again. So I'll splice something together. This is just a little quick rip, making sure that these arms are good, and we'll get it really bashing once because see some of these screws back out. I gotta get longer ones. There's some minor stuff, like I know that these worked themselves out yesterday after some bashing, but that's all par for the course. Loctite and all that. Oh, we got we finally ran this battery down. So I'm serious when I say that these CNHL batteries are insane. I literally ran this for a good 10-15 minutes yesterday. Plus these are the same ones that were in it when I did the brake last. I haven't recharged these or nothing, you know. Treating them like I would treat any other battery, you know. I'm gonna run them until they're too low. I got another set sitting over there, so we'll probably get them out. But look at those things. These things are monsters. They've taken a lot of abuse too. Anyways, so like and subscribe, guys. This is a short one. Maybe I'll get it back out in a little bit, and we'll put the body on it and see what we can do. But I think she's holding together nice now. I'm just trying to bulletproof it before I go nutty, because I want it to run good first, you know. Front end feels good. Look at that. Anyways, this thing's awesome. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I see you, and we'll be getting the HBXs out shortly, and you guys can check those out. We got them both upgraded to brushless. Should be a good run. We'll probably do track run today, do speed runs later. But like and subscribe, guys, and appreciate all the support. Peace. That's so awesome. I'll see you when I see you.